Stoke-on-Trent on a lovely sunny day, just giving you an update on what has happened since I was last here. So, at the moment we've got a load of new boards being delivered, a lot of the internal work's being done, so ground floor is now no longer open plan, a lot of the walls, the internal walls have now gone in. Just looking at the outside at the moment, because it's been lovely and sunny, we've managed to start the work on the roof. So the whole roof is being repaired and recovered. A lot of the stone work on the outside is being either replaced or patched up, so you probably can't see, but example, that one there, that's being completely replaced because it's beyond repair. Currently stone, it's being replaced with a concrete resin. I think that's what it is. What else on the outside? So the other thing I've been dealing with is getting internet into the building, because when you've got 18 students who, a lot of them will have games consoles that will be very hungry for internet speed, we need to get the right stuff in. So I've been speaking to Virgin Media. There's been no internet in here previously, so they need to have a new connection in. And just looking around the building, down here, that is where I believe the Virgin, or the hub is in there. This used to be this was where Phones for You very first started, so they had a lot of internet coming in there, quick internet coming into there. Yeah, there we go. So if I take you down onto the ground floor, where most of the changes have happened. This is where we're testing the colour of the paint. At the moment it's a lovely magnolia colour. This all needs to be fixed, but that is going to be the new colour. What is currently magnolia is now going to be painted that colour. So if I take you through, excuse me guys, I can squeeze through here. So this is going to be the smallest room. We've been having a bit of an issue making our space in this room. It's currently just over 7 metres squared, the ensuite there. Using timber along here just to reduce the actual thickness of the walls, whereas you can see that it's all metal work through there. These are the stairs down to the basement. I'll take you down there in a second. So that'll be the new entrance to that room. This doorway is going to be blocked off. And then we're stood in the corridor at the moment. So we go down the corridor to the rear rooms. We've got one room through here, one room there, another room through here. So I'll take you into this one first. So last time we were here, none of these walls were in place. They've now been boarded. All the pipe work, so this is all heating. And the soil pipes from the toilets above. We've now got a working boiler system, which I'll show you on the top floor. So it's actually quite warm, it's lovely. So this is actually, I think this is going to be the biggest room. So not all of it's been finished. We haven't got the ensuite walls in, but ensuite's going to be there. And yeah, that's the bedroom here. Oh. Lovely graffiti on the wall there. Take you down into the basement. Not much has changed down here. It's been completely opened up. But yeah, not much has been done. This is going to be one of the last things to be done. Got gas meter there. We're going to be boxing that in. Soil plates from upstairs on the ground floor. They come down here along this wall and then out there. The internet should hopefully come in here as well, so we'll have a hub there. CCTV camera plugged in, like directly into the router, just looking at what will be the bin store in this corner. So that'll be one of the points of entries into the building. So we just need to make sure that it is secure and safe. And yeah, we're going to just have sofas and tables and things around here. TV on this wall. That's about it down here. I won't show you the end two rooms because absolutely nothing's changed in those yet. Take you onto the first floor. right. Last time I was here, this was starting to go in, all the ceiling. Ensuite through there. The shower trays have started to go in, not here but upstairs. This is currently walking down the new corridor. That's the bedroom on the other side. Just had these cables put in. One is a power cable, one's the Ethernet. So having these will be connected to the router in the basement, giving Wi-Fi to this floor. This is going to be the narrow galley kitchen. So I'm going to have work surface along here, washing machine, dryer, fridges in this corner. Next bedroom. We've got this little area, which we don't have this upstairs, but this is, I said last time on the last video, using that as storage. So there's going to be a hanging space in there for clothes. Through the last one. Again, very little change in this room. Most of the work's been going on the ground floor, but yeah, a lot of the ceilings have gone in to hide all that pipework up there. And then I'll just briefly show you the top floor. We're having some of the work done to the roof at the moment. So, into the kitchen. I wish you could feel it, it's so warm in here. So we've actually got the boilers now installed, fired up, gas is connected to it. It's being tested at the moment, so if you feel these, you can feel the heat coming through. Lovely. So these are the two tanks. These supply top floor and the floor below, and then we have for the ground floor and the basement, we've got tanks in the basement for that. And yeah, up here all the ceilings are now gone in, so it's helping to retain all that heat as well. So it's really beginning to take shape. Still waiting on these windows to come in. These are the old windows, as you can probably tell. Look at that view, look at that blue sky. Lovely. There you go, here's a shower tray. It's a good size. The office is now down this side of the building. But yeah, that is about it. Not much else has changed up here, so until next time, I will see you soon. Goodbye.